Did you know that a completely bizarre creature with a glass-like transparent head, vividly exposing its brain and internal organs, actually exists in the deep ocean? Swimming 2,000 feet below in the pitch-black abyss, the barreleye fish thrives as a highly intelligent deep-sea survivor armed with a clear, jelly-like defensive shield. In a world completely devoid of sunlight, they delicately adjust their massive fins to hover perfectly motionless against the crushing and violent deep-sea currents. In an extreme environment where food is incredibly scarce, this precise underwater hovering technique serves as their ultimate survival method to intensely conserve vital body energy. While silently gazing upward, if the subtle silhouette of a lingering prey casts a shadow, it immediately pivots its body vertically and launches an explosive upward rush. Their primary hunting grounds are located directly in the center of massive siphonophore jellyfish colonies, which drape long, lethal, and highly venomous tentacles through the water. When it spots small crustaceans tangled in those terrifying tentacles, it calculates the distance with absolute precision to execute a brilliant maneuver, snatching the meal instantly. Even as venom-filled tentacles strike aggressively, the tough, transparent gel dome heavily guarding its brain and eyes perfectly deflects the lethal stings, keeping it entirely safe. Avoiding the exhausting risk of hunting directly, it masters this unforgiving ecosystem through an ingenious method of stealing freshly caught food from the ocean's venomous predators. Enduring the freezing, hostile abyss where survival seems impossible, the barreleye fish, carrying the bizarre secrets of evolution in its clear skull, remains nature's greatest wonder.